What's up, guys? You know it's one Ashley B here, and we're back again with Reality JA show. Yes, so you know this whole series is about give and take. So about your relationship wise, if you have a man or if you're a woman, if you're a woman, you have a man, or if you're a man, you have a woman. Would you give her and take back something? So anyway, follow me on Instagram, Reality JA show. Make sure you want to share that video, you comment, like and share, guys, because I know nothing normal today. When you see with the outside, a few random people up on the street, we are going to just ask them the question and see where you go. Yeah, guys, I don't know what they are Reality JA show, we have the bomber question. If you buy a woman a vehicle and you catch him and have sex in the vehicle you buy, and I take it back.
I buy my vehicle. But anyways, good question, right? I like that question. If me buy my woman one car and she bright enough, disrespect me in the car I buy her, I make one man a drive in it, and I me buy her it, me a burn up a car.
I go and the job over so because one better. You have it outside everything and I'm comfortable with that in a way. But you want car, some business to start up. You never tell me nothing else about it.
All them things there will come to light. And I say promise a few kids too, so it will work. But me tell you exactly how the procedure will go now. Alright, it's a couple acre of land and I have to keep the grass low. So what I do, I have a brethren where deal with kind of something in the country. So I order one of them high power, like Waka, where sit down and drive it around, you know what I mean? So it's a good piece of food. I drive it to my account already, I'm giving him the money. So every tonight he can check me and tell me, give me a load on what I want on that, you know what I mean? So that will pay me like 200,000 per fortnight. So that will be like 400,000 per month. So me know say I have good head, you know what I mean? So can start a little business out tight, 400 a month. After a while, maybe we'll spend back 100 out tight. So 300, you get 300, you put in an account and start a little business. You save up it till you can start. Where you want to go in? Which business you want to go in?
To be honest, I'm going to close the business and start sell some clothes, build up a store. Or I close them online way cheaper and get in them.
Yeah, so that can work, man. Come and say a 400,000 a month. So by 2 to 3 months, you know what I mean? So I have to just start the work and now and start the money start coming. You know what I mean? So even tonight him contract me still.
Okay, so you still deal with it then?
No, you work on it now, man. So you must link me now.
You might feel like I listen to you when you're talking about me, I listen. The same thing where you show me. You know somebody in Jamaica, you can get it
Which
cheaper.
thing you talking? The Waka?
Yeah, you can get it cheaper.
The same exact one I'm showing on it?
Yeah, we show me on the phone. You can get it cheaper.
Hold on.
Yeah, fire!
Yeah, so I can't see you, you know. Come here,
Wow, go on, General.
yeah, man.
Oh, boy.
Your wifey?
Mom.
Other youth you may tell about him. You know what I mean? That him a do the worker thing. You know what I mean? So
Yeah,
just
man.
go on, daddy.
Everything good to go, man. But it's just a little hold up a go on my wife. But everything will clear very soon. Cause today I'm supposed to confirm some stuff, but a slight little hold up go. You know what I mean? Because I don't know so no want to the things. You know what I mean? And I understand the whole experience and everything. So yeah. But just give me a little time and everything will start out. So you know what I mean?
Yeah, cause like me sure you 100 say it's a contract me get.
Mm.
You know what I mean? And the people them want the place to cut and keep on certain. So levels. My wife just talk about it because we need the funds to come from there. So the funds I give the last ones I put on one side so you know say yo, we definitely need that to go through. Yeah man, so if I that say by when though, tell them call me can talk to them.
Alright, just give me a few days, you know what I mean? I contact you back, cause you're now. Me in the area to just confirm that. I want to confirm with them. I don't want to tell you a time and you know go through. You know what I mean? Cause you know. But just give me some like you know a day or two and I'm gonna link you back and make you know what I'm going.
Alright, that's our word, man.
Respect our man.
Yeah man. No
Wifey, big up yourself, here. Yeah man, so.
Yeah man, that's our word.
I'm Mr. Link up on it now. Alright? Cool, respect.
The reason why I call him in our room is because more talk in front of you so you know exactly what I do. I don't know no secret, I don't call no cause Until let those part, you know, when we're married, that we say we go do. But still go check out if your friend. Yeah, people them will say have the same thing because I'm just get a loan from my mother. She lend me money. Just in case. I make you look into that one day. We say if I don't buy that one day. Two of them can I say this is equipment is always important. So two of them they can't go wrong. Man, can get one is contract on different place. They get the one there first and then the one they come through a bit from me.
I don't trust him and there's something about him half.
Well, people are people, you know. So we don't have the time. We're not in business with trust. We're not in business.
I don't believe in people too much.
Believe in you, believe in the world. And the same world, believe in things until they prove wrong.
Me say I go on with bag of things, you know. Big shipment come in and hold it up.
Man, yo, easy man, you can't load up the thing.
How am?
You don't know a thing already when people know say things are going a certain way and things are rolling. People go check you and pray a certain way. And you don't know the streets there already. You have to just hold a code there. You understand me I say? You know what I mean?
So like how things are going. You know say I'm me around the street. You understand? So you know say you want protection. You can come check me anytime. I'm gonna run off the ends for you.
Yeah man, I don't know that man. Cause guess what now? You see, in case of anything, you me go call. But then hey, anyway, you want something to drink? Eh?
Yeah man, but I drink a light beer.
Alright, let's say a word. So far. Don't
Alright.
A beer man.
Yeah man.
You that you know? Yeah man, you are going on, you know, guess what? Hey, me have some whole lot of things to clear off your work just to see me, you know. But guess what? If you know nobody who want to work, you know what I mean, I can start it out, and I have it. You know what I mean? I have some stuff up a place there, so I can deal with that right away. Because, you know business going but I'm not going to check every and anybody, and you me a check. You know what I mean? So if you know nobody with a worker, who want a worker, that is, link eye.
If anything, me make you know where I go on.
Alright.
Yeah man.
Fire!
Oh,
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You alright?
Everything is okay.
Welcome to the
go on. But there I go. I'm come on for you. Can I tell you? Where are you dealing?
scene. Boy, oh boy, I don't know.
What go on now?
You know, say the man them thief off everything off of the wharf, and we lose everything, brother. We lose everything. And based on even how we lose it is like them a say, you know, the people them could have salvage certain things, but it just gone to a way where everything get messed up. You know what I mean? A lot of people lose stuff at the wharf.
So the wharf place, they don't have camera.
Yeah, I mean, they have camera, but you know what I mean? If a person come rob a thing or start with a thing, then go always find a way for, you know, cover up themselves because it's a plan thing. Brother, I don't know what to do right now because everything me lose. I lose some business was supposed to go through for me. You know, work out. You know, I just want bad luck at times for me, brother.
So the wharf now have camera. If you lose everything, I don't know who would take it.
Yeah man, camera did it, brother. But here we are going now. You see, me I have some other stuff for other people who are me organize it. Business for brother. Lawnmower, sit down in one vaccine, the markets them, car parts, everything just miss up, brother. And here we are going. At the end of the day, me not want big debt. See, big old debt. But me ask you, just give me some time. Let me say me can hustle and say me can get myself out of that debt. Because it's rough. You know what I mean? Because right now, I don't know how to tell us a boy.
Yeah, no. You may understand what I say. But in life, well, ups and downs in life. Not to worry about that still. Life are the greatest. It's when I lose life, I lose nothing. What may I say now? You know, say, it's from one day when I come, my wise wife said to me, say, yo, buy one, you have a friend, I have one of them, said something, they said driving work or something, I'm going to buy it. So I start work over the place when I get the contract already. So I go to me and buy that something because it's my way pan this one, that'll be a problem. So if you never a good man behind you, you will go places. But you also, nobody worry yourself, man. You know what I mean? You lose some, you win some. You don't have to pay me. That's go on their thing. That's how I work. The day I will tell you that's how I work for a man. You kind of tired still. Not worry yourself, man. Babes, let him back out.
Thank you, brother. Thank you for understanding the situation. You know what I mean?
That's how I work.
But I don't know.
I'm sorry.
Rough.
Let's move on the babe. Yeah, you sure back out. Yeah, man. No
Right.
sour, man.
Respect. Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, good.
Alright, moment. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you,
Alright,
sir.
I'm general.
Me need tell you. Me did tell you. Broad daylight you make him man chicken. You see a man here, you blink a blink. So once you lie man a tell, and you sit down, and you're easy, and you just take it like that like a big idiot. Me tell us you need to man up. You make him man really do that? I'm gone.
Calm down, babes. Know what I mean? I'm the man that bring things here. So me have a walk on my business start early. You don't get a chance to start your local business. God bless us. You know what I mean? So if I want to try play a game, when they do things to me, them do it to themselves. You know what I mean? Because most I look out for me. So I don't worry about what people are doing, what them do. They just try to be good in what me I do. You know what I mean? So don't worry yourself and make no fuss and point no finger and say this like you want to style me. You all get your money for your business, I do my business. So I borrow the money already, I get the same worker. Him say problem go down. We just human being, no, I'm going to kill him. Or you find a new man, or a new man I see. Come in licking down and kill him, or you go find a new man, yeah. You see in a life, you know run everything and make no fuss of a life, you know what I mean?
Alright. I best of you. Me not say nothing, you know. Okay, your money spent. Okay.
Yeah, that's normal thing, man. You can't move a certain way, man.
Yeah, me I go cook right now.
No, me must say same thing. No. You're a sister, you know. When you're a sister, do want things and me give you say well of money and give your family well of money. You never say nothing about it. So that's normal. So I don't worry about money. If the money come back, the money come and go. How that?
Yo,
How that?
Candy.
Come in, man. Open the door, man, and come, man. I feel your place, you know, man. Long before wifey.
Wagwan.
You know, say you're a place long before wifey. You
Yeah,
know what I
man.
mean? So you're not afraid to come here, man. So, what you do? You have flask door?
You know, say I'm a brethren, Rick. You know Rick?
Or the one that do the container business?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I know, man.
Yeah, man. I him buy me 2 beer down the road, you know. Yeah, man. Man.
A while ago.
What? The man have everything locked. The man just bring down a vaccine. He even sell one of my brethren, one of the driving lawnmower. Yeah, man. The man have everything locked. Big container come down.
Yeah,
Man have floss and sitting in a town.
So where they pretty for you though?
You know,
Apart from that.
You know, say I the shoes man carry come. Yo, man, you put it up good for me, you know. Hold it. See it shine and pretty. Yo, man, you put it up safe and
No worries, sir.
nothing
I
happen to
put
it.
this on different. I just put it at a time being.
Yeah, man.
So you good or differently though?
Yeah, man, everything good, you know.
No man, I get a new contract when I do some. When I said I have a driving lawnmower, I just buy from contract. I drive over and look at property there, clean up some place. I see me busy for all this in the company, beat me out. Because I just sit down and drive,
Yeah.
still take no for work in his son. But I soon get some money for work from, but try we just start the business. Where you going now?
You know, say me have to go check back Rick tonight though, because we have got a party.
Oh.
We will link him back, man, because, yo, the man money turn up. We are going to beat juice tonight like crazy. But guess what? Me no want to carry that with me. So hold it.
It's smart, because I know so when you drink, you know, and you have that pint, if a boy ever step for you too, but that shoot somebody. But anyway, know yourself, man.
Don't say
Go on do your thing.
All right. Don't say no.
See you for yourself.
Yeah, man. Link. We link.
All right.
Actually, I live with the man. I have to want to car, you know, because a full time now me here they right out, you know. Full time now me here they right out.
But me tell you to just give me like a time.
Yeah, man, no, say me forget like a time, but watch out, man, just stop giving, don't give nothing, man. You're not giving nothing.
No, stop me like give nothing not stick like when you stick. So me just stick with you. So just give me like a time, man.
Just lucky shop on him, man. Just tell him say you're sick and he's sick. Nobody give nothing.
A long time me do that. Couple days good no me in a bed tell him say me sick him a wash cook clean everything.
Oh man, I don't know, just me feel like say if we just make me just stay, just let him come live with me or something.
No man, you can't come live with me. This house you have to me, you know. Big old man trying to me and left go. You're crazy. Just give me a little time, you can stay with me.
You see, just cook feed, man, just like how. Just follow what Dexter them say and cook, man. Come.
A good idea
You
that
lick
you
me
know.
chip. You lick me chip, man. You lick me chip. I think about it right now. I'm step out. I mean, also, I look out and think about it. Good, where you have.
A good idea, man. Me I get some red pies and roach powder and tip a little bit every time I cook for him.
Yeah. Just spice the man like what
Let's see.
Dexter them say.
Me I go do that, man.
Hello.
Let's look.
Me everything when I say a while ago, you know. And some of them words me go pick up for you. I'm the right on a house corner come in. Our mind say just look through the window. Me everything you say a while ago.
This is a prank. This is a prank.
So what go on and now you
This is a
know.
prank.
Now ensure
This
so you
is
know
a
say. You can't cook for me, you know. You can't cook for me, you can't hold me. And for one night me I tell you say I want to do something and the first only thing you tell me say you're sick. Look where I'm gonna tell you the ring.
Ring. You know say, me not feeling connection again, if you tell you the truth.
You see, you not feel connection. But if you have other man and robot, how there can be connection? We have our ups and downs here. So I say we are going to work you out. So I buy roses that feel, I take care of them when they say sick. And if you know say you're not sick, and now, you know what? Because you know this is you that I love you and care for you, to me marry you everything, you know. More cut. Pick up my shirt. It's my favorite shirt. I don't want nothing else in there. I don't want nothing else. Everything, just keep everything.
Your business. B, I'm gonna tell you say.
Yeah, me say now. Right now, I want you line up back one of them room there for me. Because I mistake what there and give you the room and move me things them out of the room and carry down the girl here down so. And now she run me out of the house. To me give me the man, me see me heart say a certain way. Me just give her the things them and walk left them.
Can't believe that man did I give. You give out your all. Every minute that I give so. You can't receive. Right now receive me, I receive. You see, I'm my woman buy me them I say, you know, everything when me have a my woman buy me now. Me not buy nothing.
But where you find them girl? Where give you things?
It's simple. All you have to do is give them passionate love and then take care of you.
Me don't think so way I say it true. Because when I check my wife, we get everything. You know what I mean? Me they give her passionate love. The new girl what me give the teeth them. You know what I mean? She did that, me I give her passionate love too. And now the new one you know what did live a yard with now, me they give her passionate love too and she gone with everything same way. So you may be lucky, puss and dog not carry the same luck.
When me I tell you the truth, for your condition really bad for you. But the one that me have here now, me I tell you the truth. She don't want me buy nothing. If I go to the store and me take home my money, no. I will pay for it. So from me see that if 5 times I go to the store and she pay for it, let me not sick see me. Yeah.
But you and you like this, you know. Me is a youth faithful. And me is a giver. But you is a youth you not faithful. You have all the woman. The same money I talk about you are even there doing sister too. And you still get things. How that work though?
As I mentioned, no one this, no one even to talk loud. She dey mind me too. And she put her on service most of the time. And when me a service, she a top up service. She love me like I cook food. And say sister no deserve me. So me must dump in sister and then we mind me bigger.
You're just lucky then. That never happened to me yet. Me mind big yard, me mind everybody in the yard and still get knocked. My thing not come down for you. You really lucky. You know what I mean? So me just there go and hold it off still because but one thing more you do for me, I try see if I can get one of them room there for me again, daddy. Just not line up a link for me and get one of them room there. You know what I mean?
Alright, a room you want, no worry your head. You see me woman sister, she love me so I tell her I need a room. And me give it. So, you know, if you bother think about no rent.
How that come?
There you are.
Hey, baby. I need 100,000.
You want money?
Yeah, baby. You know I'm the one and only man, you know?
Are you sure you want money from me?
Yeah, baby, you know. My love of my life, my boo.
What about my sister?
Him. Listen, you there with his sister?
Yeah, I think we don't know which one. Which one?
You know.
I've seen the whole thing. You've been sending message and picture every day, all day. I've seen the whole thing. She showed me.
You sure I'm my picture you see?
Your picture, the same picture you've been sending me. So now you taking all my money. I've been buying you shit. Give me back my thing. Give me this. Give me your shirt too. I bought that shirt.
But it's not good.
Give me your shirt. Your hat. Everything. I want everything. Even the shoes.
Oh God, look at the shoes.
Alright. Keep the shoes.
So, are you buy the man phone too?
That's right. Give me your phone.
Will you get chat too much? Don't ask no question.
Maybe I should go out with you.
You rough.
Come back. Come back now, baby. Come back.
Yo, me record this, daddy. Me record this.
Cut out it now, Rasta. Ramshaw, carry back.
Different from that. You still get the sister. Apart from that. Enough money you have, man. Take one some. Blow, you want you want no one sitting there.
But important stuff in there, me can buy back, yes, but important stuff in there.
You have to know you're the man. You can't look to your sister one time. Me think you know better than that still.
And his sister want me and not me.
I rough.
We just a take, as me say, we receive things.
Well, you can't look to your sister one time. Well, are you bad pan that? Because she get things at least. If you look at your sister, you do it in a one different way. You can't look at your sister with the phone. That's a dangerous something, man. But he may say, still, I be everything right. The amount of money you get off our man, daddy, I worry about that, man. Apart from that, man, the more in the room, daddy, because on the road, me I sleep now. Because everything, me give a bed, everything. So right now, up on the road, me there. Someone stop back over. Someone want to look a room for us catching. And nobody check, said sister, just check and when I link them, man. No look a room like, it said look a small room there. She gonna mount.
Yeah, she can't go.
But yeah, I can't go further now.
You know the way I get it. Alright.
Yeah, so, do you think?
No road.
Yeah. What would you do if you see a man? You buy a man a vehicle and he might cheat on you with a girl in the vehicle where you buy. What you that?
First of all, if you buy a man a vehicle, I don't trust no man, so if you buy a female name, not the man name. May I take out him, may I take out the girl, and then go, so yeah, may I take him back.
Yeah, people say you hear our answer. Thanks. So this is reality TV show. We are walk and we are ask some questions, guys. Keep it, follow it. Back again with reality JA TV show, guys. Yeah. So we are ask some people some questions.
So I go on.
What's up?
Yeah, man.
How
Let's
are
see
you?
I go on.
Want to ask you one serious question for the reality JA. You answer to the people them same way. What if you buy your woman a vehicle, right? And you catch him have sex in the very same vehicle where you buy her? Would I take you back?
Yeah, it depends on the scenario. I mean, if me buy a vehicle in a woman name, you don't know no matter what, me don't buy him already. But I just give her it. If me buy her it in her name, but if me never put in her name, well, maybe me don't take it back. Maybe. But if you don't buy in her name, I wouldn't take it back though.
So basically, if you buy in a fear name, you
Me nah-
won't
me
take
nah
it back.
try-
But
me
if
nah-
you buy in a your name, you want back a vehicle.
No, maybe. Depends on how me feel at the time. But I know something when me personally as a man would not think say something would not practice a boy if a woman do me so and some would not take back nothing from him.
Alright, no. No yourself, man. We have right amount of money to do. You talk to the dentist already? So, you can fix it. No yourself. myself, man. I write my name.
Cuz,
Oh, go on.
come here a long time I no see you.
I
What's
did
up?
it. You know, someday I go and hold it up still. I did it.
Oh, you're not introduced me to your friend?
Yeah, man. I'm a new girl, man. Come on. Let's talk to her. Babe, my cousin. My cousin with baby.
So, hi, honey, what's your name?
Name Apple.
Oh, hi, Apple. Where are you from?
No, so I come from town.
All right. Nice to meet you, Apple. Cuz, let me talk to you 1 second there.
Come on, my baby. Yes, you know. You're judgmental, you know. We are look at moments and I look at
Who you do with the new teeth woman there?
I know that, you know, say, so my things have to take us off something and fix it up, you know what I mean? Better that way there. Than, yeah, we must know. I don't have dentist me I care go. How we can get her now? I think I take her and fix her up, go alright.
You know, say you're not taking none of me telling them.
Yeah, you know. It's in a life.
You know, listen when me talk to you, you know.
But man get lonely sometimes.
Yeah, me understand, but you
So
can't
more
find
do.
a nice one or make your voice find one them way.
Remember say Kim did nice, you know. And say Kim do me. More and get one and fix up here now. I think say a better thing that.
Alright then.
Plus I wanna love me. Babes! You love me, not you?
Yeah, man, I love you.
Alright, you see it? I love. This is love. Me not see her teeth. Me not see teeth on her. This is beauty and this is strongness.
Why would the advise I go fix up no girl and the end time because them wicked, them only want to find somebody way. You know?
But at the end of the day, if you not fix them, or me get them from where me want them to
Make
love.
she stay, oh, she stay.
No, me not
Get her
like.
white out. Now go back.
You're lonely, you know. I bet you may find a man and fix up with
No
a man
worry
here, you know.
yourself about me, no lonely. What you know about me?
Don't you, yo, see you, be careful. Yo, later, man. Later.
Later.
Come in,
Later,
baby.
Apple.
Because you see you look good. She will like you. Because right now, you have to go fix up yourself and nice up. So we go marry the idea them, you know what I mean? And
Yeah.
look good. Right, you know.
Wagwan.
Yeah, man, I mean, the dance I go down in the town now. See you good though.
Yeah, man. Just a step through, you know?
Yeah, man. But, yo, me have something for you mash up for me too, you know.
Yeah, man, because I have
know
something
what I
to talk to you about, you know.
Funny down.
Right, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, cool. Don't say a word.
I'm a killer friend that, you know, kill people, you know. You not go around with people.
Wagwan, Tavisa.
Hold on, Candy.
There, man.
You good?
Yes, master. I don't see your cousin. But he find new woman.
Yes, master. We never learn.
Something about him and history with woman. Come like him not have no luck with woman. I don't know what happened to him.
And give you sweeter joke, mama. Girl, not no front teeth.
You better be careful of what him a do.
And I tell me about how he might go keep girl get a dentist go put in teeth. Tell me now.
Me say he get some money.
Hmm?
And I hope he not done no tip on girl teeth because me and him a virgin for a long time and me always lend him money and right now I think fi go tell him to give me part of his money. I go hope he not done. You and him a cousin, he not give none.
Me? Is he might ever give me nothing yet?
A lie.
A girl ain't spending money for answer.
Anyway, little more. Me go check him.
Alright.
Like, I like what they do. Let me see it again. They do a good job, man.
Yeah. I like it.
Everything perfect for you now.
Yeah, from a woman don't do it. I don't stop, snap, and look for myself. Yeah.
Don't buy something for me.
Alright.
Go on here, dog.
Apple,
What?
how are you going?
There, man.
Long time I not see you.
Long time I don't see you too. Life grew with you, there, boy. Y'all a drive.
So where you going with? Come closer
There,
now.
man.
So where you going with Nadia?
There, man. You know, say the dentist, me just come from though.
Oh, so come on and make me go on a little flex now.
No, so I'm not coming in your car, you know, 'cause a long time. Me want me have a little thing and you used to deny me, I don't know what.
Myself, I going someone back then pass and gone, and right now me I deal with. Like you look still, like you smile, no?
Yeah man, thanks.
Teeth them deal with your teeth them nice though.
Yeah man, I see it.
Smile for me. Alright.
Awa, where you go? Awa, where you go?
Me hear everything your cousin say, yeah?
What is that? Have a great man clean and lick out the teeth them. You see you? You see you?
One!
You go on. Thing good man.
What go on? How you look so? This is not you, you know.
I tell you.
This is not you. I don't like see you then kind of way. What want?
This is the same girl. Where's me I walk with?
Yeah.
Just pick her up in a car from town, you know. And you know, say me get a look up the money one day, right? So when I have a couple of months, you know, they are locking because she can't go to the door because her two front teeth then gone. You see it?
Same.
So I link a top specialist. Them say alright, them can put in back two teeth. And they go cost XY with the arm and the leg. And make a bomb and spend the whole lot of money when I have. Put in her teeth them. Down on the road now with her carry back in. Top of one cash pass I try buy 2 number. By the time I look at one Mark X man and her. Gone with her.
The girl diss you already.
Yeah man, just one take. Me don't know. Me don't know look at the man.
My youth, you're so salt. Your thing and one woman thing come like it nah go work out. And me see your cousin. And she talk to me about you. She say she want you. But you nah hear my youth. All that the big piece of money there where you get. I come to come borrow a piece from you, you know. No, you go tell me say you spend out too much money on girl mouth. My youth, you want we go fear?
I know about she man, but love that alone, man. Love that. Because if I don't give her, it's good and all them. So if I teach the one, she get her teeth and now she build up her self-confidence, come do she do. We rise again, man. And the first time won't be the last time, you know what I mean? 7 times rise, 7 times fall.
Not even one day you get to enjoy the teeth nor the mouth. The same day where you put in the girl teeth, the girl gone with another man. My youth, a joke thing this star a long time that the girl they want left you. I don't know that the girl they give you bun long time.
What differently? We don't want to talk about that, because you done already. I mean, I try to get out of mind. Yeah, I'm today, but I just want to forget about it. You know what I mean? I just want to forget about it. So make it on.
Well, anything you say, you know. You know,
So
say any of you go fear, you know, me ready right away.
But you know, me and the money thing is so wonderful again. Right? You know, you don't see it now, the money thing today. But now I said, and where the money come from, more money come from there. Something soon go on. You know what I mean? So we that talk about differently though.
You saw new shoes more and get still, you know. Me know you know in a them thing they still, you know, but you know it come down already, because me have bridging for a long time, you know. So me did want to buy some new one. Me have 2 old one already, you know. But John knows, sir. So new one, they come down, you know. But I like to have some of them.
Some go come true, man. I just the money they gone there, so we can't go back in the past. Yeah, man. So right now, much chill out, yeah, man. Cause later I come from me talk. Cause right now the brain they want good place. I just see me, I head from my cousin, that's what you see me. Cause she don't love it talking. Cause yeah, me have no made now and be talking. You can't do that right now. All the rest, so tomorrow. Or
Oh,
later.
say,
Later.
all right, cool. Bless up yourself.
Yo, come man, it done.
We know what
No, man,
happened.
leg off from my clothes, man. Leg off from my clothes.
Babe, we had what more?
Yo, come, it done. Come.
Care about me some of them come now what me do?
Yo, me say come. Have to go back down to your mother or something. Come.
We have put me some of them on the ground for.
You are going now. You see how long me there together? And you tell me say you contribute to your relationship. From me there together, tell me where you contribute.
What do you mean when I contribute? All them good loving there. What happened? That's not a contribution?
No, and a contribution that all I do I work out my little body. You not would have blend up little carrot juice or nothing give me to strong up my back. Eh? No man, my new woman I go come from foreign. So you got to go.
Oh, so a foreign woman you're frightened for?
Yeah, that's
Billy, how about going here so what happened? How wish I go with the bag?
all she do I take, she have to go on. So it makes it go on, take time, go on. My new woman I come from foreign.
So Billy, for all these years when I know you, I never know say I saw you come down. I saw you are one of them with 3 2 months too. I saw you stay. I never know say I saw you this day. So true the woman don't contribute to nothing at all. You run her out. That not sound good.
Bird can't fly upon one wing, she not contribute nothing to the relationship. All me do I walk out my little body upon her. She not cook, she not wash, she not clean, she not do nothing. So it better me live without her. Better she go on. But I saw you go still. You have to mind your own business. You understand? Me your friend, but you have to mind your own business. Look how me I go back up and I go cook.
Billy, I saw you come down, but mind business and me and your friend so long. No worry yourself, man.
Look how more, we still a friend.
My youth, you can't treat a man so.
I true, but me and your friend same
You
way.
can't treat a girl so. You could have make she stay and help her look a job. You're no good man. I don't rate you.
Evening.
Hello.
But normally every evening me I walk past and I talk to you. You have a pleasant smile and something. So what something after wrong me can want to talk to you. So what tell me really wrong, man?
No one burden nobody with my problems.
Most of the evening then when me I pass and I see a smile and me with a reason. And my burden me relief. Because with your eyes of wise words to tell me you are happy and joyful. You know what I mean? So now that you look so sad, that a burden me.
You know what I'm saying? My boyfriend threw me out of the house. Me have one little place where I can go with my auntie there, but I don't have the money for going there. Plus, nothing not there for me, no bed, nothing not there for me to sleep, and I have to go sleep on the floor or something.
But why your boyfriend let throw you out those? The nice girl like you, the mosquito bite you up.
Why I don't know? He said somebody tell him something about me and man. So I pack my bag, I go see my bag them and me tell me say I go and about my business.
It's a sad story though. You know, because last time me there talking, I tell you my bird, my problem. I tell my problem? Oh, I catch my woman a cheat. I'm walk left the big house and everything. You see, you have all super things could go in right now. I left the first woman with everything. Left him with the bed, the TV, everything, nothing for myself, you know, take. Right now I want to look for rent house, my rent and just go and deal myself, you know what I mean? You know so fancy if you're a nice girl like a night though, because it's so small, you can't ever turn in night.
So when you say you have a rent house?
Yeah man, but I want little beanie rent house. The things I have in night, like my bed and my settee. Sometimes settee I lean on the bed because it's small, but come I invite it down there, but it's small.
So start pay your rent and come stay with me and bring them over my auntie house because I want empty house, you know.
That sounds like a one good idea still, because I'm not going to pay no rent, right?
No. Me I do you a favor and you a do me a favor, so you don't have to pay no rent.
So it's like one hand wash the other.
Yeah man.
It don't sound bad, because I want to see sleep on the floor and catch cold. But I don't have luck with the man. You know. I don't have luck with the man. That's why I go up on the bridge. No, you're not up on the road, because you're here and everything. I know what I talk about. More than because woman is dangerous. But anyway, I love woman bad. You sure say safe though?
Yeah, but you don't look nobody right now, so you don't have to worry about the have no luck with the man.
So come on, good idea. But you sure say you and your boyfriend left completely? Cause
Me and him no, you know nothing. We done. Me no want him near me, me no want him around me.
Cause I don't want me carry things them down there and then want to get back in and to push me out of the house. You know what I mean?
That now go happen.
Alright. We gotta take a chance, you know what I mean? I don't know, but I'll show you what I talk about.
Alright, thanks.
But you want good looking woman do, you know? You know, so I want to fool man do.
Yeah, man, you might get.
What go on, cuz?
One friend.
Well, you call my friend and me a big cousin. Me a friend?
Same difference, we are still friend.
Alright, you rough. So what go on now?
Me hear say you move in a house with woman. Already after you just break up with Kim.
But me I say though, where were they when Kim a take everything we might have? Then I see Kim a take everything for me.
But you jump to the one you saw so fast, so how you know that she not gonna do the same thing?
But here one now, me a cousin, so me go let in from the full what really take place, right? It's just a female, you know, some of the parent. They look a cringe up place when they charge me 15,000 for no worth it. But anyway, that me done after that though. The female now, her boyfriend just put her out. She have a place that she not pay no rent for, but the house empty. So you two good things I have down at the house now, me and her make a deal. We carry the things them go there, I'm not pay no rent. You know what I mean? So it's vice versa. Me and her not there. You know what I mean? So like she go can take the things then. You know what I mean? Me and her not dying. But I does one hand what she other.
You know say, just be careful because I know how you stay with the girls. 20 in a one house, girl and boy, and I know you are dirty ways then.
But me I say,
Anything can happen.
my ways is good.
Not so you and Kim did end up get together.
Once bitten, twice shy. I learn my lesson from that from Kim. Kim teach me a lesson. I let him go back on my road again. Yeah, now I'm going to be more smart. So this time, I'm not get involved like that. You know what I mean?
I hope so.
Yeah. So you're good though?
Yeah, man, they have to go and take it easy, you know.
Oh, nobody now can feel story can tell me.
No worry yourself about my story. Me not have no story to tell us, so you not hear nothing.
You know what I mean? I'm good man, no worry yourself man. I think I have some money I can come give me. Me have money now?
Me not have none next time you see me.
I think I have some money I can come give me. Anyway, at the first time I was sleeping, I was down there, so I'm going to go find a new place, go see a new place, look and feel the environment. You know what I mean? So remember, you promise me, you know, anytime I see you again, you give me your money.
Yeah.
Alright?
Later.
Money down.
And be careful with the girl there.
You know what the man there wait for to come with the paper in a week I want. So I thought the divorce thing.
Am I calling care now?
No sir. He can't call me. When me call him and he get him, he call me, I'm going to meet him. He not come back here. What must I come do?
Oh. Sexy, you know, right now waste that money there, waste time now, babes.
With what?
I mean with what? Right now we should have one nice little pretty baby I run up and down in our house, yeah.
And a breed, you could breed me now. And me name one breed. Because when he might try, but they can't peel.
So I put one in there, you know. I put one in there.
No man, we talk about that.
We don't,
No man, we talk about that.
We not talk about
No
that.
man, we can't talk about that man further.
One night to go baby run,
Me know man. We talk about that.
Yeah.
Nice little baby.
Alright, me not tell you what me I do. Don't worry yourself.
So. See you like a judge.
Okay, I'm sorry for sure.
Alright then.
Yeah, how you just come in and play so, brother? Someone in there easy. How this someone?
Just stop there. No, so the last thing going to see now. Don't talk about a coward man. You see a fear gun, I just hold me on the fear. You take man, woman and a coward. If you're a coward in there, that scream like a girl.
Babes.
You're
You don't even know, you know. I you don't even
You're a
No!
coward.
Babes,
You are coward.
stop the
Why
foolishness,
you
man.
run go for so? You're a fool?
No, man, I chew me now, my
You see, you
gun.
could have backed me.
Chew me
Coward,
now.
you're coward. All this. Coward, you're coward. You're cool. You're too coward.
Yeah. Stop, you know.
You stop me for when I left.
Stop, please stop, you know.
Stop there, man. Let me talk to you, man.
Where what?
Babes, I'm sorry I put you out. I'm really, really sorry I put you out. I want to explain and tell you exactly what happened. I'm sorry I put you out. Really and truly.
Me no want hear nothing. You know put me out and embarrass me on the road in front of how much people.
I don't want to hold it for somebody. I want somebody, but I make explain and tell you what happened, baby. You see, house where I did live in, I never feel my house. I woman from foreign buy the house and I just did go and stay there. And guess what happened? She come from foreign and we did a good. And me asleep. And I dream about you. And I call out your name in my sleep. And she get up and dash water upon me. And burn up my clothes. And right now I don't know where to sleep. I want suit of clothes I have I wear. So I just want you to take me back, please.
Oh, so you and her did that?
Yeah, me and she did that. But all along with me, the way you take me there get money from to buy food and pay light bill and take care of you. Me never did work, you know, and she send money come give me.
So all I did have to just do, I just tell me, would feel no way, you know? Because the first time when I see you, I did like you, I'm like everything boy you did so nice and something. Me no more feel no way if you just tell me about your foreign woman.
I don't like some never want to tell you the truth. But me feel say if me can't tell you some a foreign woman, you wouldn't bother want me. To be honest, please, just forgive me. Forgive me, man. Forgive me. Which part you stay? Don't auntie or...
Don't my auntie house me there.
Alright, I want to come down there, please.
Alright, you not gonna be easy, you know, but you can come and we'll go down there and go talk.
Yeah, man. You have to go buy me some clothes. You're not coming out no clothes.
Anything for you?
Alright. Babes, you know something I think. What you going to do about your man regarding country can work?
I don't know, you know, because right now that shirt you're wearing, you know, a theme shirt, and the bed we lay down on a theme bed and something, but me I go call him and tell him saying can stay a country and no bother come back, make him stay up there and work.
Yeah, call him and tell him, man, because I don't feel too comfortable if you know, say, you have a man, you know. Just call him and make him know. Call him and make him know.
You know? You can't stay a country and nobody come back down here, you know. Because right now, me left. What? You know nothing to get back? You know walk me out. All of them, yeah, I feel me one them now. You know have nothing to get back. Come on from phone. Don't come back down here. Stay a country.
No man, now wait for me. Me alright. Alright. Open the girl.
You know, come in here. I'm not tell you to stay a country.
I joke with me now. Yeah, I won't joke with me. First thing first, when I see you on the roadside I cry, what I say to you? I don't have luck with woman. And you say, no myself because this and that and whatever. After I carry things them come now, and me and you start then up, and I force upon you know. So I don't understand now. You tell me say all of my things them in your house and not for me them again. Did me and you make an arrangement say anytime to me and you have intercourse, everything I feel we don't make an agreement there. You know what? Now say nothing you know. I'm gonna tell you one thing. It's a karma know everybody address. That me I tell you. Karma know everybody address. So I'm not say nothing. Keep them. Where did you put in that strong content of sex in the TV?
Because me I try to turn you on.
So you take advantage of me.
Yeah.
But now you say me the things I'm after. The things I can't fear. You trick me. You trick me a wicked woman.
Me no wicked woman.
You're wicked.
How?
Because you take out the thing out of my pants and put it where enough to go. Because when you cross a boundary there.
When me did I take you out and I put you where enough to go, it did sweet your door because it's something this still turn up, it never did.
So yeah, tell me say, just the fact say, me enter inside everything when me put in your house, I feel.
Yeah.
My bed, the TV, the fridge, the stove, the blender, everything. I feel.
Yes.
How much time we do it? It's not a lot of time. I can count a 36 time we do it.
36 by 20. Add that up. How much I get? I should have even more than 36 because I'm a good work more than that.
36 time. You should have 36 time. It's 36,000 I should have give you for what I get. Because member say, I don't buy no for you. So even the settee value more than 36,000, the bed value more than, mattress value more than 36,000. You understand? And a 36 time we do something. So you can't say everything in that for you because you couldn't take twice sitting them. I'll give back some sitting them. Because you see relationship with you, it can't work because I realize say you're an evil woman.
You know, have no I get back. When Taylor woke me
Up in the grill, up in the grill, up in the grill.
One back a country.
You know what?
You know, have no more good I get.
Karma know everybody adjust, you know. I tell her that. Karma know everybody adjust. You're going to meet your match. Because, I'm not saying, you know, I'm not going to know about yours. Keep it. Keep everything then. Because you're general. Keep everything. Because when you're on the road and I suffer on a ball, that's when they say, sorry for my dog. Then turn you and name you. So you name me now.
You did love your maga dog though.
You name me now. You name me. You just want to spit me out. You name me now. Take the things them then, man. Take them. Take them. What's up?
Hello.
Long time no see.
Well, yeah.
I'm sorry about my friend do to you, you know, because that boy I don't understand what if you have the two them one time, you know what I mean?
Well, you know, we can't do anything about it. It's done, right?
Yeah. I see him where, same time I see me, the other female, I'm give her everything I have and she just leave me for my face, you know what I mean? And actually your boyfriend me there check to try to get a place to me, said we have you know, start back over. I start back over now, get back some clothes, you know what I mean? And take the time, I try go through, you know what I mean? So you single now? So
Yeah.
so that means you're done with man now.
Well, I mean, I guess it depends of the agreement.
Or what would be the agreement now?
Well, what would you want from me?
I just want love, you know, because I've been searching for love and just can't find it. Because first, I have a wife and I give her everything I have, she left me. I don't know if I had a problem. I found a next woman, she never have no teeth, I give her put in her teeth them, she left me same way. Then I find a next lady now, I never agree with nothing, but end up in something, she take everything I have again. Because every time I start over. Some things at times I stop choose them type of girl and choose somebody who she can give and me can give. That means that two will give one time instead of me be the one giving all the while. But one thing beat me though, you're not afraid. When you take back the things from him though, you're not afraid by taking back the things.
Why would I?
No, where I'm from though, when I was young, we were taught that if me have a sweetie or a cheat chip and I give it to somebody like my brother or my cousin, I cannot take it back from them. Because if you take it back from them, something will go over your eye. You know what I mean? That's what they tell me. So from that time, no matter what I give people, I don't take it back. But I say take it back. I eye them at work, say they look at, you know? Yeah.
But if you paid for it, technically it's yours. From where I come from, my parent always said, for example, they bought me a game, any game, and I like this game.
Yeah.
But from the moment I did something bad, they took it back from me, right? They can do anything they want because they paid for it. That's their game.
So nothing go over their eye or nothing?
They take back their thing and that's it.
So
I paid for the shirt. It's my shirt.
you
So
take
I
back
want
everything.
back my shirt.
You teach him something though. Nobody never teach me so yet, you know what I mean? But I think maybe if you link up, man, that's all the reason. You know what I mean? Because I think there's a lot more things they can teach me.
Of course.
True?
Yeah.
Alright, give her your number. Let me say we can talk. I don't want your sister number doing them, coming like mix up. Yeah?
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't want your sister number.
Don't ask your friend for it neither, huh?
Yeah, just your number alone.
Alright. There you go.
Alright, I go talk to you. You want to hear from me, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Later.
Later.
Babes, this whole done clean out the fridge. Can I look in there and realize saying the cleaner look nice now.
Yeah, I last one, me depend. Almost done now.
Oh, so we want for breakfast?
Look out anything, man, no. Me good with anything.
Oh, yeah, good morning.
Morning.
Where you look at me, sir?
Where you come, boy?
Alright, when I come for... Are you wash the things, them? Look like I fridge something there. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the fridge is dirty, so I wash
Yeah, man, thank you for watching them, man. More, it's everything when I buy, when I can come and come put in my house, I want them back now.
I don't care where you want, see. Me and my man want them now. You don't have nothing to get back.
I'm here work for them and buy them?
No.
So how come?
To get them.
So I said, me not sitting them.
No.
When I go down a courts and down a singer and all the places and buy the things them one by one, were you there? So how come you own them? Girl, remember say you beg me to carry things and come in your house, you know. Because I'm not in your house, you know, and I carry them and put them in your house. You say we know in a relationship and all of a sudden in the night, I'm deep sleep, you come in for me. And if you come in for me was too much, I couldn't resist it. But still, the things I'm carrying, they're my things, them room and fear your auntie, but everything in night are for me.
I'm not place of course.
I seem to me I tell her, so it's not girl that tell me, so right now, I can't get the things them.
The reason why me own them, when time me get good, all them time there, all of them something they where you buy, my one now.
Which good you give me?
Me don't want you know what you say.
Which good you give me? See one thing where you give me a. See it here. Take it back. Cause you don't give me no good. And then you want to do it, you know. Out of my fridge that come from and my fridge that come out of.
Wait, don't fear shoes that day.
Take
My girl, let
Yo, nobody the foolishness. Babes, come on. Nobody
Right here come first and sit them. Right here come to them. You don't go on. Right here come to them. Yeah, man. So me there shout about to show you hundreds today, yeah? What me I say? No more. The person who I was yesterday, me changed today. Buck up on a girl today and she showed me 100, you know what I mean? Because I say she do something, but then I wonder about it and me have check her out. You know, you look saying when you're small, if you give somebody something and you take it back, so you go over your eye. And that's something I work out for a long time, so I don't talk about nobody. Yeah. So, you remember the girl where you fix her teeth, we want back the teeth for now. Reach to the point in our apartment, to get back everything what people take from me. As that, just want to get the teeth them want them back.
So you make up your mind now?
Yeah, man, everything, man. Some more things we take back from some people, but we just started them as something else.
Alright. You know the assignment. You can check them back. See?
Where is it? Where you go?
My youth, I go up on the road go do something.
But we want to take teeth tonight, you know. Where you go?
I come back right now.
Oh, so wait for you?
Not even 5 minutes. I come back right now.
Alright, go on and come then, no, man.
Alright.
I'm there, so.
Hey, Apple, I go down my yard for something and come back here.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You man just talk out I can. You know, I'll tell when I can. Well, go on.
Gotcha.
Yeah, watch her. Talk to him. Talk to her.
This my friend.
Man, this a friend.
What do you mean this my friend?
No, this a friend. Me just not ready to settle down.
Alright, here I know. You feel like you can come get nice pretty teeth for next man see and you diss up my friend and want me to your fool. Open your mouth. Yo daddy. You don't know so me get back your teeth them from the girl. Hold this, take back your teeth them. Girl a fool. I'm my dentist.
You know, easy, you know. You're keeping on the dentist?
No man, you know say me a professional for a long time, you know.
Alright, but that's why when people do the rough, have to do them rough.
Yeah, man.
But you what? You go in bed, but you feel someone, me lock off for the tooth tonight, man.
No, not man, me a virgin, you know. As long as you take care of it.
But yeah, more over here, right?
Yeah, man.
I want to sleep with someone tonight.
Alright.
Alright, so I'm on the main talk, though.
Alright, don't say a word.
Bunny, though.
Alright, big up yourself. Alright then.
Cuz! Come on there!
What going, cuz?
No, some of them on different vibration tonight still. That's why you know them something.
Cause where you get that from?
No worry yourself, man. No. You know, over the time.
Cause what kind of problem you cause
Yeah,
now?
me no man, no bullet in the night, man. What? Over the time, people are take me for idiot, right? You know the procedure. Take me things, you know what I mean? So now I want to be Mr. Take It Back. Tonight, I take back everything. So, one youth, when I
You
give...
know, you know think so no consequences go come back.
Nah, man, I know me I do, man. Me nah,
Okay.
and everybody, I just one youth alone, me really want to confront, because I give him over 200,000 to buy one driving lawnmower. You understand? And him take the money, sell it, buy the lawnmower, because overseas I come from, and sell it back again when you come to Jamaica and tell me one story, so then see if you understand that. You find out. So, me never know, say, nobody never TV. So I say, oh, keep the money, man, and know yourself. And I say, stress out, because enough something TV, and he must stress out like he going himself. And tell us that story, I say, yo. So I say, figure about it. But since somebody pinch me and tell me, say, I sell the land more. Nothing never go so. But just say right now, everything boil up. Over time, everything add up to one thing. I'm not hurt this somebody.
Yep. You sure?
Yeah, I'm not hurt somebody, man. But what I want you to do now is that somebody love dodge. Anytime I call him now more. So if you call him now, I know say go forward. You know what I mean? I know when a girl went talk to man. Then I call a nigga, I know like that. But the girl not there about her now. But me a film number, so you go make it look like your name. Apple. So you're an Apple man, no watch my voice. I want no phone. Meet me XYZ on the lane. But right over the whole house. Alright now. Here a code. Yeah man. Alright, 775 1470. Yeah man. Them saying Apple. I head over the whole house. A new number you get, you know what I mean? Come page right now.
Hello? You know, say Apple. You know, so I have something to give you, somebody to give me something to give you, more you can check me over all whole sorry. You're right now. You're around the corner? Yeah man, I'm the one around here. Alright. Nah move man.
Right.
Alright, later.
Alright. This one come here. No worry yourself man, everything good man. Everything good. No worry yourself, go on your bed. On your bed just sleep.
Alright, cuz.
Alright. You don't move it now.
What really are going on, sir?
The whole thing we do over there with the lawnmower, right? They tell me say them teeth the lawnmower. I'm check the facts and say everything go through on the shipment. Come have some link now down the walk. We call and make a link through. So the whole of the money, but I want it back right now.
Brother, it thing not go through like, hey, me don't tell it.
No, long talking, man. Just do what I do. Give me money back. Give me the money right now, daddy. I'll give me the car key. So all you have to do is bring back money. The one thing you have to do is bring back money.
Jeez, I'm worried, so man. I'm put myself in them, man.
Yo, easy, you know. I don't come for arm people, you know. But you go on now. If me for arm you. Because right now, you take my money on a false pretense and say on a ball, say them thief things, and a rabbi, dry eye. You know now. Give me the car key until you have my money. If you have money now, give me my money right now when I give you the whole 200,000. I don't want your car, but I hold on pan it until or you face the judgment. You have a choice. Make up your mind fast, cause cut me a cut.
Alright, here we are
Talk up,
going.
man. I don't want to hear what going on. What?
Let's see here we are going, man. Alright, hold the car key until
Alright, give me the car key.
until things start out, cause yo, it's a misunderstanding.
Give me the car key.
Could believe that the man there, man. Just want to open my business every day. That's my business. I'm gone. It's the next one link, but I don't know what to go for. Yes, girl. Yeah. You hold on there. Wait, I'm going to call her back. I'm going to call her back. I want him. Where you for? Where you there for? What happened?
Well,
I don't know where you for. I tell her, me if I wrong, I just said
no,
it.
no,
I
listen.
wrong.
Listen now. You feel that this house is mine. So when we break off things, I walk out and leave everything with you. Because through me as a youth, I like give and take back because of my growth principle. But I realize they take me for a fool. I just place it want. So sad news to you, the place, I want it back. I want it out of the place. I'm going to show the people so not even the court can give you this place. Because this place is not even mine. I'm just taking of it. So I want it out.
Me?
Yeah.
Out where?
Alright, I'm going to show you something.
Look how long me at. What you mean you show me?
I'm going to show you the paperwork to show you that this place doesn't belong to me. So it was mine to give in the first place. Anything what me have, you're entitled to half of it. This house is not mine. So you cannot get half of it. You can get half of me.
Oh, so I'm an idiot. What me marry for?
Love.
Love. Love.
That's what they told me. They told me say love. That's how you get me.
Yeah, but that they do wrong. They say you go wrong. Cause me I get half of something. Cause me not live.
Because the idea was love, and then we would have built something together. So this place that you come see me with, and you cannot get it. So I'm going to show you something though. I'm going to show you the paperwork.
You can never come back. Go. Bright. Could have bright and out of order.
Kim, I'm not coming to argue with you. Because I'm not going to jump on me. I'm not going to argue with you because we say love and you push hate. So now we just want to set things straight. This is paperwork, it's a copy of it. So we have plenty copy. So you can read through it and realize that the property now belongs to me and we go want it out of the place. Me have some relative, if them come for you, it's not going to be nice. I'm not want to embarrass them to come hold and dash you out the door. You know what I mean? So to save embarrassment, but beg them to give you 2 days. I'm going to have somebody to watch the place. That means say, you know, try to move out to my furniture and things them out of the place when you go.
You let me see this.
I don't have time to stay though. I go ahead. One
You're
day, may I give you forget.
You're mad.
Alright.
B. I can't close the door, man.
I was a fool, but I'm not a fool anymore. But you can contact me if I can do something for you, I will do it for you. But I think we have done enough. Sorry, man.
You can't do nothing for me now.
No.
We can't sit and talk about it.
Those days are over. I married you and it didn't work because you never offer really love, you offer different stuff. When I come here for really talk and like compromise, we just come here to tell me things then. Because all through my life I've been giving, but now this is the section of my life now. But they're on a part they feel tell me things, they bother me things, but I'll take it back. I not the way you want to call me. But everything I give already, I just want them back. So also when I think when everything I owe, I take back that first. Love, we don't take that for you too. So I'm not attracted to you anymore. So, it's not that.
Yeah, we'll find one more some Samaritan guys, a good one. So we are gonna pop the question. We're here in Jamaican City, back again at Reality JA TV show. It's a girl, Ashley B. One Ashley B. So, Mama, yeah, you look like you're not playing. So if you have a man and you buy him a vehicle and you catch him and have sex with another girl in the vehicle, what you would do? You'd take him back or you'd just say you have it? Like burger king.
Avoa, may I kill it two of them and take back my car.
Alright, as always, thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to create these wonderful content for you guys. It's 2022 now, so we're back at it again and put in some work to ensure so you guys get good, clean content. You don't know, so we are putting in work. So remember, if you guys want to support what we do, please subscribe, share the content up, tell a friend for tell a friend, because even though we're 100,000 sub, we still not reach nowhere yet. You understand? So one, uno help with propel the channel to the next level. So big up on yourself, continue to show support, link us up on Instagram, make sure you follow the page, ensure say if you don't want to send a donation, you don't send it. So do what you need for the man. Tell them how going on fire. Yeah man, glory be to the most. I give thanks to life for your advice, you know you go. Yeah man, just continue. Bless us with, with the likes and the comments and all these things, and and you take what you take and you go do what you do. So right now, since the year start, I start one new book, I have the mix-up book. Because I know the woman them text more than say they want some mix-up show, lots of drama, every this and every that. And we go have one of our channel, we have got try go look a bit sexual for adult audience soon. And we are planning to do an exclusive movie we now come on YouTube. So you hear about the project. We have a lot of things in development because we have a new show we can go on YouTube now because the content is not too strong. Big up all of the sponsor them. Big up all of the link, the family, because you amount of name from Tats and Franco to Damien to Jules, Antoinette, Cool Breeze, husband and wife, all up name, all up people across the world, reggae vibes. So it's a joy doing this movie, just trying to carry it to the world. And the knowledge that we have, we have great knowledge to can do movie for any standard, but we don't have the resources. Like we need some light. If we want to move them look like internationally, we want a boom mic and we want some light. So maybe we have to go back to one GoFundMe, a lesser figure than what we have on the GoFundMe, and see if we can get them things, if we kind of get some better scenery, because we have to step forward, because this is reality. And we don't have the time for idle, really. You know what I mean? We have time to make movie and make history, because people can dead. No, not people can dead. People are dying. You know what I mean? So if people can dead, that means the people can live. So we want to live too. We want to live the real movie life. You know what I mean? That means so we can bust people in a real life and not just joke talk. Actors can build their house and help their family, but if we don't take it to the platform, it's not going to feasible. And with unity, big strength, you know what I mean? Yeah, because that's one of the reasons why we should cross, we get the black magic and we get it. But the black magic alone now can propel we to the next level. We need first step. Do one of them big budget movie where we know we have the proper light, proper mic, and then we can say, let's submit it to our Netflix or even one of them type of streaming platform where we can make real money so we can make real steps, because we still want to build Jamaican City. We still want to build Jamaican City. We still want to build an official studio. We still want to put certain things in place to ensure a movie is a reality in Jamaica. But we can't just do it by ourselves. You understand? Yeah, man. It's a war. You know what I mean? It's a war. It's a war. It's a war. We're fighting out here just to survive in Jamaica. You hear the story, them see what go on, you know what I mean? But this place can be a blessed place, because this is the land of paradise, land of food and water. I just threw so much gun there on here, you know what I mean? Because back in the days when never got so much gun over there, I one could fish out. And then fish out down the line, them agree back again and fish out again, fling two big stone, bust two head, and them still nobody not dead. So with the crime and violence that's on the height where they are now, too much gun there. And I know care one come, you know what I mean? So, what I try to say overall though, the country needs development. So in
man,
me,
in every aspect.
in all aspect. Me
Now
now
check your levels fire. Remember when we grew up, we couldn't all this evening, we couldn't go on a ball ground and play the ball. We don't see no youth play football again at evening time. We don't see no youth on the corner play cricket.
no cricket.
You understand? So
You know what I mean?
we need to bring back some of them things there, but it's going to take intervention and it will take investment because everything, the fool yourself, everything take money. So it will take money to put in certain things and to make the country better. So that mission that we depend on, and we are doing it from free level, which is making movies.
So this is as the first step. We have a Black Magic. So now we have got to do maybe a GoFundMe, see if we can get the proper lighting and the proper mic settings. You know what I mean? So as we go along, we put in the work for you to watch and enjoy yourself. Who can help? You can help. And you know yourself, looking at yourself and do the right thing, you know what I mean? Because it's forward for Jamaica. Don't sit one side, you know what I mean, and don't help. And then say you want to see better. If you don't fight for better, there will be no better. And it can't be we alone. Everybody have to put their hands in. Everybody have to get them hands into the mix and get forward. You see, we make the movie, but we need resources. You provide resources, we make more movie. We do better movie.
I mean, you know like what we do.
Yeah, man. So out of that, resources we need now. We got resources because we have a lot of ideas, but we not can touch. Sometimes I think about one story for do, and the amount I think we go take and put it one side.
All right, yeah, that now.
Put it one side. I want to we not have that, and we not have this, we not have that. So it's studio. When the studio come into play now, you can do FBI movie easy. You can do jail settings easy. You can do courthouse settings. You can do everything. Hospital settings just under one building. So glory be to the Most High. Give thanks to life. Blessed evening 2022.
Yeah, subscribe. Remember,
subscribe.
please.
Yeah, man. All our platform them. Check them out. From one to all. You go see it in the description. Check it out. You know what I mean? Jamaican City. See it here.